How to make money online with Fiverr. Okay, so how it work? This is also popular website that can be helpful for freelancer. Know something about digital animation. You can work for someone who doesn't have a skill and pick up some extra cash. So even better, you can offer to complete web research for someone for fast cash. So Fiverr. What is Fiverr? How to make money online with Fiverr website 2022. Okay. So highlight. You can make good money from the site. Arians Dan Brosen, a web design and digital strategy in Albany, New York, who run two-person company calls Document Design. It's say, sure, my Fiverr profile, gig description are well writing and community the value of the service I am offer someone related resells out to me. I make sure to reply as quickly as I am can a flow of with include to access good question. A quick but careful right reply with increase that order. Them hires and description button. So that's work. How to work if you articles RT art artists and are the type of person who can make custom jewelry or referral management easy in the place to sell your product. Highlight it's easy to negative the site and set up the shop. So thank you everyone.